if you are watching this video, we hopefully succeeded. We are up for a very challenging and probably expensive experiment. This is my 217-year-old model
2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch.
15-inch with a touch bar Retina display. It's a beast. I felt that it's wobbly on the table, and there's a gap when you close it. What does that mean?
The battery must be expanded.
So the battery is expanded, and also the battery life on this machine was quite short. Dominykas knows how to fix stuff,
I fixed my iPhone 7 and my iPhone 6s.
We ordered, and this just came in the mail today. This is the box from iFixit
in Germany.
Yeah, and we got this box with something in it. So let's check out what's inside first.
So in the box we have a fixed battery, and we got an iFixit toolkit in the bag. So there's the black battery with cells, and here's the iFixit toolkit that we need to use.
So first of all, we need to disassemble the MacBook to reach the battery. So Dominika, what tools did we use?
We use an iFixit Protect toolkit, and we use a glue mat to track all of our screws, and we use my pad to guide.
Okay, so what do we got here? We opened this thing, and what do we have? First of all, it's dusty, yes. But second thing, which most important, every single cell of this battery
It's pumped like a balloon.
Pumped like a balloon, yes. So what do we need first? And
this
is the cover. It's all in dust. So we need to take it to the garage first and use the compressed air thing to dust it off first. So in our garage we use the compressed air to clean all the dust away from the MacBook, and then we used an iPad and a video guide from iFixit to take all the components apart. So how many screws there were, Dominika?
There was around 100 screws in total.
Okay, so we had to go step by step, disconnect one component after another. Everything, and we were lucky that we had that blue mat, which you can see on top of the screen. It had little numbered pockets, so we could put all the screws and brackets in those pockets, because we won't need to remember which screws to use in the reverse order when we will be putting this thing together. Then finally, after about 2 hours of work, we have managed to reach the point where we almost disassembled the whole computer. We had to disconnect the logic board, we had to disconnect the trackpad, the keyboard, the screen, everything. This is how the logic board looks like. This is how the computer looks like without the logic board. Here you see we had to protect it from the chemistry which we're about to use. Dominika's having fun here. And then we were using this adhesive remover. This is special chemical solvent to dissolve the glue which holds the battery glued to the chassis of the computer. So Dominika, we are at the point where we finally have disassembled the MacBook Pro. We have removed all the guts.
Pretty much all the guts, except for display, speakers, keyboard.
Yeah, so what comes next? Yes, so we have this empty space for the battery in here. So we got the brand new battery from iFixit. This video is not sponsored by iFixit, isn't it? We just love the brand. They make quality things. So The plan now is to follow the instructions. So we got now reverse everything, what we did already. Reverse everything back. Let's go. Take this off. Take it off. Pull my.
It's sweaty.
Drop it. Ow.
Ew.
Ew.
It's
You get high five. High five.
Sweaty.
Let's go. We unpacked the new battery and put it into its place, and then we had to go through the entire description in the iFixit website, only in the reverse order, to screw all the components back together. So Dominika, what do you think? Was it a good idea to put all the screws in the right order during the disassembly?
Yes, it was, because we can always go backwards of the line and we see what screws go where, and from the longest to the shortest. And we got, if we put longest screw in the short hole, we would damage the Mac and we will not have a perfect Mac.
Yeah, so great. So that was the assembly part. Took us about a half an hour, not more than that, and it was quite easy compared to the disassemble part. After 3.5 hours of work, we disassembled the laptop. We have all this thing put together. Now it's the moment of truth. Will it work? What do you think?
I think it works.
Okay, so the moment of, we flip it over, we open the screen, and I press the power button. Look, the power just walked in. Hey! Oops. Yeah, look, the Apple logo.
Hey!
Looks like it's working. So we have
We saved
fully working MacBook Pro. Replaced the battery ourselves without any prior
knowledge.
training. Okay? So what's the last part now?
Take the gummies.
Gummy bears! We got a bag of gummy bears, which came with iFixit kit. We have a sister waiting for us over there. Come over here. Come over here. We got a little sister here. So we have the gummies, and we can share the gummies. No.
So good.
Boom!